Before you click off this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_.
So today I am doing a St. Patrick's Day makeup tutorial. I just did this look right here. Yes, I know my wings look bad. They're like the worst wings I've ever done, but I still am really obsessed how this look came out. And I am really excited to show you guys how I got this look. I know it's not the most natural look, but I need to start doing more artsy type looks on my channel. And sorry for me wearing a sweatshirt. I wanted to wear both. Ironically, the only green sweaters / shirts I have are both in the wash right now, so that is why I'm not wearing a nice shirt, or I would have, and I didn't want to wait till that was out of the wash because I really needed to film this video. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys love this tutorial, and let's get started with the tutorial. Taking my Morphe palette, 350 palette, and using this brown color, and I just dropped my brush. I don't know if you guys want it zoomed in or zoomed out like it usually is. But yeah, I'm just applying that in my crease for a transition shade. So yeah, so I'm just blending this out. So I'm just making this transition because this is going to be like a halo eye type thing, kind of. So I just want to make sure, and since I'm using bright colors kind of, I want to make sure we have at least a transition between everything. So yeah. Where's my palette with the mirror? I have so many palettes here because none. It like honestly annoys me when palettes don't have a mirror, don't include a mirror, like, because then I have to bring out separate palettes for because I can't find the palette that I can't find my like handheld mirror that I used to have, so yeah, that's why. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend that all in. I'm trying so hard not to cover my face like this like I usually do. It's really hard for me not to because I really do want to see what I'm doing. Went a little too far, but I'll fix that up with concealer. So yeah, this is not chit chat, get ready with me, so I need to stop talking about my personal things. But next I am taking this orange, this really, really bright orange right here, and I'm putting that in my crease. And I'm going to just take probably this brush because I don't ever use it really, so, and I'm applying that in my crease. Morphe is really stepping up their game. Like, I saw their new palette. Like, I really want the like pinkish palette that they have coming out. I think it's already out actually. And then there's like, I think they have highlight palettes coming out, and this other eyeshadow palette that I really want. And sorry to hear that, that's the wind. Like, the winds are so high today. We went from having like 65-degree weather at the beginning of the week, having nice spring weather like all week pretty much. And then last night it snowed, and now I'm grabbing the crease brush and blending it and not making such a harsh line between everything. But yeah, now we're back to snow and like 20 degrees. So that's my bipolar state for you guys. Like, my state is so bipolar. Actually, I think I'm gonna bring the orange down to right here. I'm gonna make like, okay, this is gonna be sweet actually. I'm like so excited like that I'm coming up with ideas. Like, this is like a creative idea. I just gotta make sure I play my cards right. I wish I had like a metallic gold lipstick to go with this, but I don't. And I'm trying to save my money, so that's why I didn't like go out and necessarily buy one, so sorry for that. Okay, that's like to the bright orange that I want it to be. So now I'm doing that on the other eye. just applying that orange into my crease and right to begin with my lid. I'm really trying to, one, stay consistent on my channel, and two, I'm really trying to come up with creative looks. So, I mean, this is a start. And then I'm just going to blend that out because this side looks a little bit more orange than the other side. So I'm just blending that out. Or as my mom would say, orange. My mom says orange. It's funny, but it's cute though. Like, I love my mom. She's awesome. So we're just blending that out. So now it looks even with the other side. I'm just going to add that back in right here because it got lost. Boy, this is like making my eyes pop. So now I'm going to be taking, I need to find like a smaller brush, which this is perfect. And I'm going to be taking this green color, right here. And I actually did, this is really funny because I used this color last year in my St. Patty's tutorial. And I'm kind of embarrassed by that tutorial because it's finally, I mean, my makeup, let's just say I'm not embarrassed by it, but like my makeup skills have improved so much since last year. Like, yeah, so I'm just putting that green like right by the orange. Alright, so I'm gonna put more sorry, I like just realized that I put the mirror in front. So I'm just touching it up. I would kind of have to concentrate for this part so we have enough for the one part. Just putting that. I'm trying to be like as neat with this as possible. I feel like it's kind of awkward that I'm doing like this St. Patty's look like so early, but like I feel like I need to post this before somebody like posts something similar, and then like I can't post mine because of that. But I'll wait to post this for my Thursday video, so at least it's not too far away from St. Patrick's Day by that time. Because, let's see, oh crap, I dropped my brush again. I don't want to be doing, I don't want to put this like too far away from, because I don't want it to do the week of, like I want to give people time to be like searching tutorials, even though mine probably won't come up because there's probably billions of St. Patrick's Day tutorials, so yeah. With me, halo eyes are kind of challenging for me because because one, I have bad eyesight, so like I can't always tell if it's like right in the center, like the center color's right in the center. Sorry, my camera stopped recording for some reason, but now I am taking this like gold color because it reminds me like of a pot of gold, so gotta put that in. And I'm just gonna take, I wish I had like a small lip brush because I feel as if this is too big to pack that on, but I think this is what I'm gonna have to settle for. We'll make it work. Like I said, we can always go back, and I can always go back and fix some, because I know I'm gonna have to fix the orange to bring that back out because the green kind of concealed it a little bit, so we need to bring that back out. Okay, so how do I want to go about this? I think I'm gonna just, so now you're gonna like pack it on very lightly so you don't like mess up the green. See, I would have done white for this, but then I'm like, well, I feel like that's not like bam enough. I feel like it wouldn't be able to show. It won't be able to show because I know like the Irish flag is like white, but I might just put a shimmery white. Cause I might just put this shimmery white on top of it because I don't like how it's giving it like a bronzy effect. So I'll make this like kind of like, okay, that's better. Yeah, I like that. So I'll make this kind of look sober. I like kind of mix the two colors together to give it like a nice like goldish silver. And then we'll go back, and then we'll go back to this side. Now if I walked out in public like this, people would definitely think I'm crazy, but you gotta do what you gotta do for YouTube. But yeah, what was I gonna say? I'm really trying hard to also to like use different palettes and not just use the same old palettes, because I feel like that's another problem with my tutorials. I've been realizing like I use like almost the same palettes every tutorial, so I'm trying to use different palettes. Okay, now we're gonna go back with that gold because it's not as gold as the other one, and we're gonna just pack that on top. There. That looks sweet. And then I'm just gonna go back with that orange and touch that up a little bit. Where's the brush I used for the orange? Here it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna just touch that up and then go after I touch up the orange, take my crease brush that I used for the brown and blend that all in together so it doesn't look like many separate things. Alright, so I'm going to go do eyeliner, mascara, and probably foundation in the rest of my face. I don't know, I might come back for contour and stuff. It depends how many minutes are left on this video. So yes, I'll be back and show you guys. Alright, so I did the majority of my face makeup. I just put on the L'Oreal, I did the MAC Skin Base Primer, and then the L'Oreal True Match Illuminating Primer, and then I did, then I did the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, because since this is St. Patrick's Day, I kind of wanted to go for like a luminous foundation look, because St. Patrick's Day is all about the gold and luminosity. So yeah, and then I bronzed my face with Hoola bronzer. Also I did a Clinique's concealer and set it with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and then I just did Hoola bronzer, Shade and Light palette contour, MAC Spring Sheen blush, and that, now you're all caught up. Also, when I was away, I did add the green, gold, and orange on the under eyes area to make the eyes pop even more. So now I'm going to do my highlight, which I am going to go in with the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, and I am obviously going to use that gold since it's St. Patrick's Day is all about the gold. And like I said, I want to clarify this again. I know the Irish flag is not gold in the center, it's white in the center, but I wanted to add a little twist to it. And also, not only did I want to add a twist to it, but I also, just like a matte white would not show up, like I wanted something in the center to show up good, which is why I picked the gold, because I know that would show up better than even the shimmery white. So yes, so I'm just applying my highlight now on my cheekbone, or whatever you want to call this right here. I always feel like I apply my highlight wrong. Like, I always feel like it always ends up too high, but maybe it's just me being like too critical of myself. Yeah, I'm just applying that on the top of my cheekbones. Make it bam bam, because we want to look glowy for St. Patrick's Day. I don't even, like, I'm Irish, but I mean, St. Patrick's, like, I just feel like, I don't know. Like, I remember as a kid, like, it used to be a big thing at school, but like even teachers don't make a big deal out of it at school, well, at least at home school, like, just because I figure we're in high school. Alright, so now that we're all glowy and highlighted, I wanted to do something with a rainbow, like a pot of gold and like a rainbow coming out, but I do not have colors. I mean, I have eyeshadow colors, but that won't stay and show up as good. Next, I'm just taking my Holiday Crush MAC lipstick. This is the closest thing I had to a gold lipstick. So obviously I wouldn't do this color, and sorry that's limited edition, but I would do more of like a metallic gold or a nude. It's just your personal preference and what you're going for in this look. So I am just putting that on my lips. See, this is like kind of the best of both worlds because this is like a nude and a gold in one. But anyways, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please like, comment, and subscribe. That'd mean the world to me. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye!